Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. This time we are going to unbox AirPods, Apple AirPods 4. So let's open this. This time we are using scissors, a pair of scissors. So let's open this package and take out our item. Hopefully this is all sealed. So this is our AirPods 4 with noise cancellation. The price of this is, where is the price, man? Yeah, here it is. यहाँ पर है price का details. Not here, okay. Yeah, here it is. So the price is 17,900 rupees. We In addition to that, we also got 1 year additional Apple Care Plus subscription, so that it covers 2 years of warranty. So this feels heavy. This package, if you all can see, there is this bulge in the design, in the print, right? So we have our AirPods active noise cancellation. There is also another version of this AirPods Pro, but I prefer this because I feel more comfortable with this design. So let's go ahead and unbox this now. All right, we are fortunate that we do not have any issues with this product. Let us go around the box and see what are the details. It is a 2024 product. You see the silver design on the box, and it is all sealed. AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. Let's open this. I don't like to tear it off. I'll slowly try to open this so that we do not tear off the seal. I like to keep things intact. Here we go. ये साइड का खुल गया. अभी ये साइड वाला का खोलते हैं. Oh man, did we tear? Oh, there is a slight tear there. Okay, ये खुल गया. Let's take out the box. Can't wait to look at the product designed by Apple in California. Here we go. अच्छा ये भी sealed है. This is something good, man. So far going good. I also have another version of AirPods with me. You see this? This looks bigger than this, I guess. But this is probably many years old. I'm not sure the version of this AirPods. Probably ये AirPod 2 होगा, AirPod 2 या 3. I guess 2 होगा, AirPod 2. इसका और इसका साइज देखिए. It's all dirty, man. Over time, probably a year or so, a little more than a year, इसका वॉल्यूम थोड़ा कम होना शुरू हो जाता है. सो ये सील्ड है, मगर कंपैरेटिवली इसका साइज थोड़ा सा छोटा है. इसको खोलते हैं हम. लेट्स पुल दिस आउट. ओके, कैसे खोला जाता है इसको? यहाँ पर थोड़ा स्टिकर है, इसको खोल देते हैं. Man, can't we just pull this out? कैसे निकालें यार इसको? Yeah, this is what we want. Okay, this is our old AirPods, so let's keep this aside. Iska, case is also all damaged. We're gonna get a new case for our new product. You look at the sizes. This is wider. This is a little, smaller, almost a square. This is rectangular. So this is our new product, and this is the left side. You heard the beep, right? You could hear the beep as well. This case has sound. It can, give out sounds whenever you try to, play the music. See, play the music to find the device. Let's try to compare this with. Let's try to compare this with this. Are the sizes the same? More or less, they are the same. क्या है इसका और इसके डिफरेंस? यहाँ पर एक है कुछ इसमें इसमें कुछ नहीं है वैसा वाला. It is होता है head. You see some differences. There is speaker here, but it is here. Okay, and there is something here. Let's keep this inside. But the sizes are the same. Size दोनों का same है. Let's keep this back in, and let's put this back inside. Let's open this and see whether we get the sound again. Let's take this out. Already dust starting to gather. This is smaller. This is nice. Let's put this back in. देखो sound आ रहा है. So now I'll teach you. Okay,